Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Just a little update on the Honda TRX here. Last video we all tore it apart and got it ready for parts. And I ordered the parts and we're going to open them up right now and make sure everything is right. So give me a second to get you guys set up. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm going to try and do this kinda so you guys can see too. Let's see what we got here. There we go, we got our new brake master for the front brakes. Let's get the next one here and see what we got. There's our rear brake shoes. Even came with springs, that's good. Alright, what else we got here? Got this box here. Side here too. Oh, maybe I did it wrong. I guess I gotta cut everything. There we go. A nice sticker. And what is this? Oh, piston rings. So we got the piston rings. Alright, what's in this one then? That'd be the front bearings there. And I believe those are the rear axle bearings there. Alright, we got one more here. And our gasket set for the top end with the valve stem seals. That should be all the parts we need to get it going. I had a seat cover ordered and it still hasn't moved, so hopefully that comes in. I gotta contact them in a couple days if it doesn't move, and hopefully they get that sorted out. If not, they said they would send another one. Alright guys, that's going to wrap this one up. So if you guys like this content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.